एक क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूं मैं आपके लिए. इफ the centripetal force is a special force that act towards center. Okay, अर्थ के चारों तरफ मून रिवॉल्व करता है. इसमें इट मींस मून पर अर्थ का ग्रेविटेशनल वर्क करता है एंड दैट ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स इज एक्ट एज a centripetal force. No need to worry about it. It's simply a force. So the centripetal force is depends on mass of particle, velocity of particle, that is v, and radius of path on which particle is revolving. What is the relation relationship between force, mass, velocity and radius? Force is depends on, that is mass, velocity and radius. Fine, इन तीन चीजों पर फोर्स डिपेंड करता है. एंड ऑल्सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स के हर क्वांटिटी की अपनी एक डायमेंशन होती है. सो वी मार्क द डायमेंशन हेयर, दैट इज ए, बी एंड सी. In order to remove the proportionality sign, we have to keep the proportionality constant. That is k is the constant of proportionality. ठीक है. Now we have in the LHS, which quantity is in the LHS? Please tell me. The force. And what is the dimension of force? M L T minus 2. ठीक है, ये डायमेंशन आपको पता है कि नहीं पता है फोर्स की? बिकॉज ऑफ force is equal to mass into acceleration. So the dimension of mass is m and the dimension of acceleration is lt minus 2. So this is clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now in the LHS side, in the RHS side, first quantity is what? Mass. So the dimension of mass is what? Please tell me. M. The dimension of velocity is what? LT minus 1. The dimension of radius is what? Again it is L. Fine. So putting all these values in first equation में substitute करें सभी values को. When you substitute all values in the first equation, then in place of force write M L T minus 2 is equal to constant. Fine. And in place of mass, what is the dimensional formula of mass? That is M. And what is the power of small m? It is A. Fine. What is the dimensional formula for velocity? Please tell me. It's LT minus 1. And what is the power on the LT minus 1? It's B. Because of power of velocity, that is the dimension of velocity over the velocity is B here. Here the radius is, the radius dimensional formula is L here. So I can put L in place of radius and C is its dimension. ठीक है, अब इनकी रीशफलिंग कर लीजिए. ठीक है, this k is the constant M A. This power B is for length as well as for time here. ठीक है, तो power I can distribute over the length as well as over the time also. So this is L to the power B and T to the power minus B. and here L to the power C. So it is LT minus 2. Here the power of L is B and the power of L is C. So what I can write here, please tell me. L to the power B plus C. Now B plus C, because of on the same basis, if bases are same and powers are different, then what will happen? Power may add it. The power of C is power of T is what? Minus B here. Fine. So on the same basis, I can compare on same base. I can compare. We can compare powers. Fine, on the same base we can compare the powers. So from LHS and RHS. ठीक है, तो देखिए यहां पर जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे, so in mass what is the power? Tell me. In the dimensional formula for mass, what is the power? That power is 1. And in the mass, in the RHS side, what is the power? That power is A. So I can compare powers या dimensions of mass. ठीक है, तो ये क्या मिलेगा? 1 is equal to A. This will be A. Fine. Now, what is the next step? Compare dimensions of length. That is 1 here also is the length dimension is 1 in LHS. So 1 it is equal to, in RHS the length dimension is B plus C. So I can write here B plus C. Fine, and compare dimensions of time from LHS and RHS. So what is here? This is minus 2. The dimension of time in LHS side it is minus 2, and the dimension in RHS side of time it is minus B. So what is the result here? That is B equal to 2. This point is clear? Please tell me. Now here, if I substitute the value of B in equation number this, so here B plus C is equal to 1, then I can calculate the value of C is, that is 1 minus B, that it is equal to 1 minus 2. So here it is C is equal to minus. Now putting values of A, B and C. Now putting the values of A, B and C in equation first. What is the first equation? Force, that is centripetal force, is equal to K M to the power A, V to the power B and R to the power C. Now putting these values, M to the power A. What is the value of A? Please tell me. It is 1. The power of B, that is V to the power B, and the value of B is what? 2. And here R to the power C, and the value of C is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So I can write here M V square upon R. ठीक है, R to the power minus 1 को हम डिनोमिनेटर में लेकर जा सकते हैं. So what is the relation of force? That is, force is equal to constant M V square upon R. Write down the question. This is very important question. Assuming that escape velocity for planet depends upon, देखिए what is the escape velocity? If you throw the particle or an object upward, then what will happen? It returns to earth or not? Yes or no? Fine. But if you throw an object by such velocity that it never returns back to earth, then we can say that velocity is known as escape velocity. ठीक है ना? अगर हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को इतनी वेलोसिटी दें और वो कभी भी अर्थ की ग्रेविटी के अंदर एंटर नहीं कर पाए, दैट एस्केप द ग्रेविटी, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एस्केप वेलोसिटी. ठीक है, ये आप ग्रेविटेशन चैप्टर में स्टडी करोगे, सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट. Assuming that escape velocity for planet depends for a planet escape velocity for a planet depends upon gravitational constant and this gravitational constant is g, that is universal gravitational constant. याद रखना, gravitational acceleration अलग चीज है, it is represented by g, acceleration due to gravity, but gravitational constant it is what? g. इसको हम universal gravitational constant भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, gravitational constant g, radius r of planet and also its डेंसिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं रो से. ये ग्रीक सिंबल है रो, ये आपने 10th क्लास में स्टडी किया होगा. रेजिस्टिविटी को भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं रो से और डेंसिटी को भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं रो से. ठीक है, सो ड्राइव फॉर्मूला for escape velocity. Fine. Now radius, the dimensional formula for radius you can easily write. The density formula is mass upon volume, and acceleration due to gravity you can calculate from the gravitational force, that is g m1 m2 upon r square. You can write g is equal to f r square upon m1 m2. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूले भी देखिए मैंने आपका काम आसान कर दिया. ठीक है ना, I have written all the formulas for you so that you can solve this question. So I request you each and everyone, kindly give your 5 minutes here, devote your 5 minutes here, and all have to solve this question. I request you each and everyone. Okay, now I am solving. Okay, so as per the question, the escape velocity को आप v से denote कर लें. The escape velocity depends on, किस पर depend कर रहा है? That is capital G. So mark here capital G here. ठीक है, किसको आपने लिखना है? कैपिटल G को लिखना है आपको. कैपिटल G, power is A, the radius power is B, and the density power is C. Fine. Then remove the proportionality sign and write constant k here, g to the power a, r to the power b, and rho to the power c. This is your equation number 1. This step is completed. Fine. Now I'm writing here the dimensional formula. Fine, write dimensional formula for velocity. So what is the dimensional formula for velocity? lt minus 1. The dimensional formula for radius, ठीक है, g का dimensional formula भी हम लोग निकालेंगे. The dimensional formula for radius, it is what? It is L. The dimensional formula for density So the formula of density is equal to mass upon volume. Fine, mass upon volume. And mass dimensional formula is m, volume, that is length into width into height. So the dimensional formula of length is L, for width is also L, for height is also L. So this is L to the power 3. So the dimensional formula for density, it is equal to mass L to the power minus 3. Fine. Now I'm writing here the dimensional formula for universal constant of gravity. That is m L t minus 2 into r square, that is L square, m into m. Fine. एक m से एक m cancel हो जाएगा. So G is equal to, when we move this m in the denominator to the numerator, so this will be m to the power minus 1. Here L is here and L square is also here in the numerator. So it is L to the power 3 and T to the power minus 2. So the dimensional formula for the acceleration due to gravity, it is equal to m minus 1 L cube and T minus 2. Now I'm writing all the dimensional formulas here. That is, for velocity it is L T minus 1 constant. For acceleration due to gravity, this is m minus 1 L cube and this is T minus 2. And power A is also here. So I'm writing the power A. So the dimensional formula for radius is L and power is B. The dimensional formula for density is L ml minus 3. ml minus 3 and power, whole power is C here. Now distribute this power, that is L minus 1, it is equal to K. Now this A power belongs to M, this A power belongs to L and as well as for T also. So I can write here, this is M to the power minus A, L to the power 3A and T to the power minus 2A. L to the power B, also C, we can multiply this C power with the power of M. So this is M to the power C and L to the power minus 3C. ठीक है, अब जो simplifications हो सकते हैं, then you can do the simplifications here. So L T minus 1, it is equal to constant. Here M is here also and M is also here. So I can write here M to the power minus A, M to the power minus A plus C here. Now solving for L here, L and L. So I can write here L to the power 3A plus B and minus 3C. ठीक है, सेम बेस पर पावर हमेशा ऐड होती हैं. And what is left here? T to the power minus 2A. Now in the LHS side there is no dimension of M, so I can write here M to the power 0 here. Now what is your task left here? ठीक है ना, then you have to compare the exponents. आपको क्या compare करना है जल्दी बताइए. Exponents compare. ठीक है ना, this is for you, for homework. फाइन, आप कंपेयर करने हैं आपको एक्सपोनेंट्स. तो यहां से आगे आप कर सकते हो, रिप्लाई करें एक बार. यहां से आप आगे कर सकते हो. ओके, चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. आई एम शेयरिंग both the questions on your WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, God bless you all.